Alright, well, Showit pushed out another update yesterday, and what I want to do is basically show you the cool new gallery that was basically pushed out. Showit will, I'm sure, have a official post here shortly, but what I wanted to do was go ahead and show you this kind of cool stuff, so that way you kind of have a head start and can get started, converting your galleries over if you want yours displayed like this. They keep making things easier and easier for us to display our pictures and stuff. So it's important for us to go ahead and utilize, the newest features, um, if it fits. Just because it is there doesn't mean you should use it. But if it kind of fits, and happens to fit your site, then by all means go ahead and use it. So what I want to do is go ahead and show you guys how to do this. So basically, it's one new piece that was added. It's this main piece here, and you can find that in your media library and your show it section under the widgets. Secret stuff in here I can't show you. So this thumb gallery here is basically what you're wanting to go after. Okay, it's not showing up anyways. So thumb gallery advanced. It works together basically with the gallery display, or you can use this for just as the background. It kind of works the same as a thumb gallery, but with a few more options. So you can go ahead and add that to the page, and once you add it, you'll want to go ahead and click on the advanced, drag and drop all your images in, and then from there you can kind of manipulate all the settings that you want. So go ahead and set it to gallery 1, and this should be on fit to width, fit to height. You can go ahead and leave that. Thumbnail options, go ahead and change that to 5, and change the rows to 3, and click on the layout and change it to 1100 and 621. 1100, 621. Thumbnail direction, change those to up and down, left and right, change it to up and down so you can see how this works. And change your thumbnail type to square, leave it on auto, and then your thumbnail click, change it to go to thumb and hide. Thumbnail scaling, you can kind of switch these back and forth, but keep it on horizontal for now. And put your minimum spacing at 10. If you don't want any spaces in between these, then you can just take that down. We used to have to put each and every single one of these pictures here by hand. So the folks who are just now hopping in, you're getting away good with this. Border size, you can set that to 1 or whatever color you want. And go on to automatic, you can go ahead and skip all that. Display option, just set it to black and 50. Don't worry about the border color, border size, round borders. This is cool though. You can round this off and it'll round the whole thing. Awesome, awesome. And you can use highlights, just go ahead, click that, change it to white. Control type outside, control position separate, and you can kind of play with these. It basically just changes the position, but you want to get this thing set up first. Separate, control direction, left and right, control size 25, passive you can leave that, transition forward, slide left, slide right 0.4. Go ahead and you get that set up. Okay, so once you have that done, then you'll want to basically add the gallery display, and that is right here, gallery display. So you go ahead and add that to the page, and just be sure to set that to gallery 1, and you can pretty much leave everything else there. We'll go down to transition, change that to 0.4, and the image padding take down to 0. Cool, so now you basically have these things talking to each other. Gallery display 1032 and 622. You can change these sizes, of course, down the road. So basically what we have is one sitting over top of the other. Third thing you're going to do is just add a piece of text, and just kind of change that to show gallery or grid, and you're going to link that to an action, target gallery 1, and then show hide toggle. So what that's going to do in the end result is give you something like this. Thumbnails are going to slide in. You'll be able to highlight here. Your thumbnail, your gallery art in the back is already transitioning and sliding in new pictures. So you just click on one, it'll change to it. You can keep going. You can show the gallery, flip more thumbnails. Definitely cool. So it basically keeps everything contained into one nice spot. Definitely got to give props to Showit, giving us more options here to display our pictures. So I just wanted to hop in and basically show you guys that. Look out for the official post coming from Showit shortly.